are ready to entertain you by the colorful performances. On this auspicious occasion, I take great pleasure in welcoming our chief guest, Professor C.R. Vishweshwara Rao, Professor of English and Rector, Vice Chancellor of Vikramasinghe University, Nellore, and Professor V. Narayana Reddy, Registrar of Vikramasinghe University, Nellore, our beloved parents, teachers, kids who are gathered here. So once again, welcome one and all to our program, Celebrating Life Through Colors. Now I call upon the students of 3rd standard for a prayer song, where the mind is without fear and head is held high. Taken from Geetanjali of Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate, poet, writer, philosopher, and the ambassador of Indian culture to the rest of the world.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Rainbow, a school which started with a dream, a passion to do things differently, to make schooling more child-friendly, to enable the children to learn the basics as effortlessly as possible. I remember one scientist whom I would like to share his quote for. Einstein once said, "The important thing is not to stop questioning." We felt that the present education system does not give much scope to target the why behind everything. It is not possible to make radical changes to the present system. Therefore, we are supplementing the lessons in the textbooks with our own worksheets, which encourage the children to analyze the topics and clear the concepts. This, we feel, is very important as it lays a strong foundation and makes learning in higher classes simpler and enjoyable. Understanding the why behind everything also enables the child to improvise the present system and make the world a better place to live in. Children are like saplings. What they grow up depends totally on the love and care they get. It is said that the average man uses only 10% of the capacity of brain he has. A person who uses 1 or 2% more becomes a genius. We will be failing in our responsibilities as parents and educators if we are not on the lookout for ways and means to provide conditions conducive to improvise. The utilization of all the faculties gifted to us by God. Love and care given with the right approach can create miracles who can transform the world into a dreamland. A handful of thinkers and scientists could bring the world from a primitive stage to the present stage. In spite of all obstacles, a handful of original thinkers could think in a different way and bring out improvements. It took man thousands of years to advance from bullock carts to spaceships, from a parrot carrying messages to mobile phones connecting the whole world. We need more thinkers. We need our children to become those thinkers. This process can be hastened if we could provide better conditions to learn. And this has been the aim of Rainbow. We are trying to bring about changes gradually. We know we are on the right track right now, so we need to get along with new plans made, new systems created, and new methods implemented. Rainbow is growing hand in hand with good support from parents, faculty, staff, and well-wishers. Rainbow will strive hard to fulfill its vision of an institution of global repute for excellence in educating the next generation of our future. Rainbow started with 60 kids and 3 teachers in the first year, and now it houses 335 kids and 24 teachers. And Rainbow is very proud of the whole team. And today, we have gathered here to continue the celebrations, Colors 2010, the 5th annual day celebrations. And to begin the celebrations, I wholeheartedly invite our guests of honor, Professor C.V. Vishweshwar Rao Garu, Vice Chancellor, Vikrama Simhapuri University, and Professor V. Narayan Reddy Garu, Registrar, Vikram Simhapuri University, onto the dais. Now I request Deeksha of 3rd standard to please give away this bouquet of flowers to our guests as a token of love and affection. Sarayu would be giving away the bouquet of flowers to our guest, Professor V. Narayan Reddy Garu.
The director of Rainbow School, the management of the institution, parents, children, members of the press and electronic media, distinguished invitees. It gives me very great pleasure to participate in today's function in a school where there are students up to the 3rd standard level. I am extremely happy that this school, which is 5 years old, is aiming at holistic education aimed at provoking the students to think, to analyze, and to interpret. These are 3 functions of knowledge, or functions of an individual who has acquired knowledge. To think, to analyze, to interpret the data that is before him or her. I am glad that outside the curricular framework, the school is developing certain exercise schedules by means of which it is attempting to provoke the students into thinking, into analyzing, into interpreting, and into acclimatizing themselves to the aspirations of society tomorrow. And the parent has a very lead role to play in the shaping of this society. So with these few words, I thank the director of the school for giving me an opportunity to speak to the parents of children today, and I look forward to the parents dwelling upon the idea of shaping not so much the knowledge framework of the children, but the mind, the attitude, the aptitude of the student. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
పెద్దలు, విక్రమసింహపురి విశ్వవిద్యాలయ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ ఆచార్య విశ్వేశ్వరరావు గారికి, రెయిన్బో స్కూల్ కరస్పాండెంట్ సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారికి, వారి శ్రీమతి మిసెస్ సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారికి, ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసిన తల్లిదండ్రులకు, వారి పిల్లలకు, వారి బంధువులకు అందరికీ నా నమస్కారాలు. ఒకే వేదికలో ఇంతమంది తల్లిదండ్రులను చూస్తుంటే చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. నేను మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ అభినందిస్తున్నాను. ఈ అభినందన ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుందంటే, మీ పిల్లలు మీకు నిజమైన వారసులుగా, నిజమైన రిప్రజెంటేటివ్స్గా మిమ్మల్ని ఉద్ధరించడం అంటే డబ్బులు ఇచ్చి ఉద్ధరించడం కాదు. తండ్రి తల్లి అనేది సమాజంలో ఒక గౌరవం కల్పిస్తే చాలు. అలాంటి విద్య కావాలని నేను కోరుకుంటూ, నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన రెయిన్బో స్కూల్ వారికి మరీ ధన్యవాదాలు ఇస్తూ మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ అభినందిస్తున్నాను.